What's up, guys? I am crazy excited to have this giant orange truck with a huge RC Sailor sticker on there. Thank you, Abby. Father's Day present. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is hanging out with Abby. Popeye is back at home because he can't come to the hill for the Hill Climb Challenge videos. Unfortunately, he's just not allowed in this park. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today I'm extremely excited because I've really been loving the crawling scene lately, and Abby for Father's Day got me my favorite as of right now, and I haven't driven it yet, RC Crawler. This is the Redcat Racing Gen 8.
Scout 2.
Scout 2, thank you.
So many names.
So many, it's a long name. But I love this. It's kind of ironic. A friend, Dan, and I bought the Gen 7 last year, not a whole year ago. And
if you missed the unboxing, you can see it there.
Yes, we did like side-by-side compare it just a little bit. And like a month later, this puppy came out, and I was beating myself up a little bit, but I love the Gen 7 so much, I kept it and just said, you know what, when the funds are available, we'll get the Gen 8. So Father's Day, just a few days ago, Abby got this for me, and the way videos work, we can't do all the videos in one day, so here we are a few days later, ready to drive this puppy. Guys, I'm so excited. Look how beautiful this thing is. And it's not just because of that RC Sailor sticker on there.
There's a giant sticker.
This is the first time we've ever had a big RC Sailor sticker on there. And plans for our patrons on that coming in the next month or two.
We actually have plans for new stickers.
Some new stickers, yeah. I'm very excited. I think you guys are going to love them. So to our existing patrons and upcoming patrons, just hold out. But look at this. Look, look, look. Not very often. This is a small thing, but the body looks amazing because there's no body clips on there. It's all held on with Velcro. And I'm not going to go over this in too much detail because we did in the unboxing a little bit more. But man, I'm excited. So let's drive this, do some hill climb challenge. Maybe drive it in some water. This is gonna be sweet.
I wanted to show this to you guys because while Nate was doing the battery stuff, I saw this little teeny tiny body clip and I was like, what does this do? Well, it takes this out, and that's like the trailer hitch cap is the Redcat logo. Isn't that so cool?
It actually has a trailer hitch hookup on there.
Adjust those side mirrors. You gotta be able to see behind you.
Oh yeah, safe driving first. So, nice scale crawler. Oh, looks good. Full throttle.
Looks good.
And just a little YouTube movie magic. We just did a little video with TheRcSaylors here. I hate to say that name in this video, but this seems faster.
Can you say it if you don't show it?
Oh, Redcat, they don't care.
No, TheRcSaylors cares.
Oh, well, I own it. I own it.
It's over there. There, it's in the video.
Right there. There. It was one pixel big, but it was in the video. My body looks a little crooked. I think it is. Sitting a little crooked here.
But I like that it's so easy just to put the body on. Sometimes it's really hard to line it up with the body clip design, so yes. I think that's neat.
Here we go.
It's much faster.
To the hill.
And you guys know what we think about body clips. We don't like losing them.
I hate losing body clips, so if you just don't have any to lose to begin with,
then all is well.
Look at that. Nice and easy. Ah, I love this truck. It just makes me smile. Look.
It looks so good.
Look
at that face. Look at that face.
So, something about this truck too, and it confirms what I thought about the TRX4 that we just drove. Remember I told you the ESC brake was on that? And this is just by default. Yes, I understand, but watch my controls. I'm driving, I let go, I push reverse, and it goes in reverse. Okay. Whereas on the TRX4 you had to push out to hit the brakes and then go again for reverse.
Okay, so, you're right.
Yeah, I thought all crawlers were like that. Ooh, this feels so good to drive, Abby. You're gonna like driving this. I will let you drive it. This is my baby, but you always let me drive your trucks, so of course I'll let you drive mine. So after I conquer the hill inevitably again, I will, I'll hit the water here. We'll go through some nice water, and then we'll do that root spot and see how it does.
I just think this looks scale.
It looks so good. I like it from...
It's like scale and not scale all at the same time.
Look at
you know what I mean?
The grill, the hood.
Love that.
Ooh. And that big RC Sailor sticker.
I cannot wait to get you set up with lights on this.
It's gonna look good. Now let's talk about something with Redcat Racing, guys. We forgot to mention it in the unboxing. But what do you guys think about Redcat Racing buying a very well-known big drone company or
slash
YouTube channel? I really don't like to say their name because it's super not family friendly, and
at least it didn't used to be. We haven't watched them since
I don't think so. I mean, one of the main guys went to jail for some bad stuff having to do with the hobby and trespassing and stuff. Not cool in my opinion, but it'll be very interesting to see what a really good company, Redcat Racing, does with Race Drone YouTube channel. I really don't see where that's going, but let's hit this water again. This is awesome. Hopping over to the next puddle. Oh,
it's between my legs. Oh my gosh. Is that it? There it is, right there. Yeah. Oh, it went under the water.
Yeah.
He's in there, guys.
There he is.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Okay, there he is. Oh my gosh. The little guy just scared the living daylights out of me. How would you like a frog jumping between your legs?
I had a bug fly at my shorts last video. Abby, I told you I saw tadpoles in here.
I know.
Look how good this looks in the water like that. Doesn't it look super cool?
Yeah.
So this is the difference between a crawler and a basher. People, you know, hey, you got this road right here you could be driving on, and that's all fine and dandy, but this is why crawlers are fun, right here. Oh, look at that TheRcSaylors sticker. Cool Pulls went up by 5 with that big sticker.
I know.
Boom,
it's got 2 tiny ones on the side.
Yeah, can you guys see the stickers? Look at that. All right, I don't want
the frog is in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull out of here so I don't scare the frog. There's another water spot down here that I want to drive through, and then we will hit the roof. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. This spot's the deepest spot. Look at that.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
Look at that. That's cool.
I love the way this thing looks. So awesome.
It just looks real.
I haven't got to drive anything through the water.
You haven't?
No,
Oh,
neither of your crawlers.
Do you accept the responsibility of how awesome this is?
I don't break trucks.
All right, let's see what you've not ever driven through water?
No.
What?
No, I haven't got to drive this crawler or
okay. Isn't that just sweet? There is not a bad angle on this truck, is there?
No, it looks amazing.
Yeah. Oh, you're going a tough way. If you make it out of this, I'll be impressed, because that's a tough spot, Abby. That's you brought this upon yourself. I'll just say that.
Well, no.
You better not knock my mirror off in there.
Come on, little truck.
This is why I didn't let you play in the water there. Look at my side mirror. Look at my side mirror. No. I'm just kidding. That's fun, isn't it?
I feel like this is the biggest crawler we have.
It has a very wide body on there, yeah. Sitting very wide. I think you get to spray this off. No, that's the beauty of it though. We can just take that shell off. It does go pretty quick. Yeah, and this is two cell lipo. You just letting off the gas, right? Yeah, it's got a good brake on there.
Woo! Look at that go!
Oh, you almost rolled it.
I like this.
That's funny.
That's awesome. I like it a lot.
Now, just so you guys know, crawlers really are not meant to be driven at full speed all the time. It's kind of a... you're just knocking the mud off, aren't you?
Yes.
Just knocking the mud off. Those chrome wheels. Looking good. Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool! So fun!
It's awesome. I gotta break some bad news to you. This camera battery's almost dead. Well, since the camera battery's almost dead, we're gonna have to come back to the roots for this, but this is Abby driving. My truck, my Father's Day truck. Watch the little...
Why do you think I bought it for you?
Watch the frog buddy over there. I know, so you could drive it. Guys, this is sweet. I love the Gen 7, and I think I like the Gen 8 even more. but I'm so happy that I have both in my collection. Thank you, Abby. If you would like to check out the Gen 7 or 8, this is the 8, just keep that in mind. We'll have them both linked in the description box below. Do our best to find the best price for you. Both amazing crawlers that I would highly recommend. I love Redcat Racing. I'd love to know in the comments section below what you guys think about Redcat Racing now purchasing a not very family friendly race drone YouTube channel. What's going to come from that? Really would like to know what you guys think. Well, I love this truck and everything that Redcat Racing has done so far. I am a huge fan of.
Look at how good it looks right there.
Let's just zoom into that realistic shot here. If that was a real truck.
You need like some cargo racks or something on the top, Nate, and then it'll look really good.
Look at that. Real truck on top of a mountain. Hey, had to do it. It's pretty far away. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.
See how it goes sideways. Look at it. It's doing so good.
It does sideways. Yeah. Nice. We're waiting for it. They can't stop watching.
Oh, no. Can't end it there.
There you go. You recovered.